Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to properly install the liquid cooling hose on the Eresus Red Series CNC machine. Let's start by taking a look at what's inside the box. A liquid cooling tube, M5 nuts, M5 bolts, a 13cm M5 threaded rod, a custom washer, and an L-shaped mounting bracket. First, I'm securing the L-shaped mounting bracket and the 13cm M5 threaded rod. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our team using the contact options shown on the screen. I've completed the mounting step. Next, we need to lower the Z-axis as much as possible. Be careful not to push the axis beyond its limit. Take small steps and proceed slowly. That looks good now. I'm threading the 13cm M5 threaded rod through the upper gap. Using the threaded rod and the custom washer, I'm securing the bottom part. I tightened it by hand as much as possible. But it wasn't enough, so I used a spanner to fully tighten it. And now it's secured. Now I'm raising the Z-axis to a middle level. Next, I'll secure the hose. That looks great. If you guide the transparent tube through the spot I've shown, it will work smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.